Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to cover Telegram Premium, which is set to launch later this month. Now I'm on this article which is linked up in the description down below if you want to read it in your own time, but I'll go over it anyway for you in this video. So lots of companies or social media platforms and messaging apps are trying to release premium versions of their service to try and boost their revenue. Is this good for the customer? Is it good for the business? We'll just have to wait and see. But Telegram Premium is going to be quite interesting because you'll basically get tons and tons of more things that you can do, or basically not more things, but you can see here you can create up to 1000 channels and 20 folders. If I just scroll down on this article, it was initially found by the Alessandro Paluzzi who finds all these different things like on Instagram and things like that. Telegram price in India expected, you can see it's going to cost around $5 per month for Telegram Premium, which is not an awful lot of money if you want premium. But what exactly do you get? Well, you can create up to 1000 channels. I don't know if you'll ever make use of that unless you're into some crypto and you want to create a bunch of channels. You can create 20 folders, you can create 10 pins, 10 public links. And so it doesn't give you like more features when it comes to actually messaging. So you can save up to 400 gifts, which I guess is nice, and you can upload 4 gigabytes of data compared to the 2 gigabytes of data that free users will get. And that's pretty much all we know. You can see a little tweet about it here. This is going to show you no ads, voice into text conversation, and these different features here on the right hand side. So I don't use Telegram that often. I just chat to a few people on Telegram, but if you use it a lot, you might want to consider maybe getting Telegram Premium when it releases, if you will make use of all the new features that it will give you. So that's everything we know about Telegram Premium as of right now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.